Hey everyone, welcome back to Devrai Technologies. And I would like to make a statement on the implementation of WhatsApp ChatGPT, where there are many ways to achieve this requirement, and I'll be exploring each and every way. Well, these all will be an experiment, so we'll make mistakes and try to debug it. Okay, so one of the way that I'm thinking is using Microsoft Bot Framework direct line channel, and that is getting connected to our webhook endpoint. The second way I'm thinking of using the Assistants API again as a webhook endpoint. And the third way I'm thinking of using Azure Communication Services. They have released a new feature where we are allowed to connect to WhatsApp. That's the third way I'm thinking of. So, yeah, we'll be exploring all the three ways of implementation in our upcoming videos. All right, stay tuned.